We are pleased to show you the 2022 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.